Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas Ballard,
My name is Matt Neely.
I'm Tyler Harder.
and we are
The Wizards of Waverly Place
the
podcast.
True Crew. Damn it, we're the True Crew.
I was the halfway. I was just making noise. I was going. Okay, so we're in the cult, blue will-o-wisp cult church place.
Yeah,
So did you guys like the part where Alex learned a new spell last week?
Oh yeah, that spell that made her head not big.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was a good spell. I remember very little. I remember very little about this show to have a whole podcast about it.
Yeah,
Like that
same.
I'm gonna be straight up honest. I watched that. I think the last time I watched an episode of that show, I was in single digits of age.
I found in the attic.
Last time I watched it, I was maybe 11. I don't know.
Yeah, I was young.
Man, we're
Good show,
already
though.
off track.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, okay, so full
it's all good.
disclosure,
No, I'm
Matt
good.
and I can't hear audio again, so that just
Now we just
We'll
have
try
a
our
key,
best.
We're trying to plug it in.
So
Yep.
we're gonna talk about Wizards of Waverly Place the whole time.
let's go for it.
I'm gonna go to my grandma and I'm gonna be like, "Hey,
Did
grandma,
it
everything's
ever
fucking
explain why? Did it ever explain why the icon
And
for
change?
everything
Oh.
is like?
Sadly,
Oh yeah, no, I remember that. She
Oh, I
got weird.
remember.
She got like
nah.
brain messed up.
Red. Yeah, she
Uh,
got
did it
brain
ever-
wiped.
It never explained why the icon was like a weird dragon thing.
Maybe
Because
she's just
she's alpha.
goth.
Yeah.
And it's just like we have a really badass thing for a badass woman
already
named
said
Kathy. Kathy, the most badass
Nah.
of names.
Listen, no manager will go unspoken to.
Yeah, from Kathy Rain. The manager would run, would vacate the
Would flee
premises.
in fear.
It's like, a woman named Kathy is
already
expecting
said-
you, and he like walks out of the
I've
office.
already
Yeah,
said-
figure it'll be fine. He walks out, sees her. She's like already lighting up a cigarette in his store, and he's like, "Yep, nope, it's there's
It
a no
was a
smoking
joke.
rule, but I can't fight her,
This may
so
look
I'm out. I will put in my badge, and I'm out."
mere.
I do like this alien device that she calls Boots that's going on over here. That'll probably like.
Yeah, the HR Geiger type
A
alien
small
stuff.
key. Hey, these keys are almost identical. They must open different storage units in the same facility.
Well, there.
I wonder what this.
I wonder what that unlocks too, Kathy.
Let's go find.
Let's
a
go-
Storage
Let's go
facility.
play in every
Oh, shit.
single door.
I need to ask Grandma.
About what?
I need to be like, "Hey, Grandma, where's the storage device unit?" And she'll be like, "Yeah, I stored my laser guns in the old depot down by the road.
Any.
Please tell me about storage facilities."
There
I'm
are a
like
few
rubbing
things I
her
need to
head.
ask you. Very well.
Fucking tell me
I
about
don't see a reason.
it. You don't see a reason.
I don't need to show. I don't need.
You lied.
How wish the same. I don't see a reason. Okay, good.
You should talk to your grandma about that red man, though.
I did though.
Yeah, but it said you didn't have a reason.
Use reason on Grandma.
It's super effective.
Guess I'm going to the storage service and be like, "Please, I'll kiss you. Just tell me where the storage unit is."
I am.
Yeah, the sheriff is.
All right.
Oh shit, we're going to the sheriff's office.
Oh, doesn't he not like you?
Yeah, why did we go here?
Let's talk, Sheriff.
Why did you go here? Weren't you
Let's
going to
talk,
the
Sheriff.
storage
And that's
facility?
when I found that creep with her tied up in the crypt.
Jesus. I had my suspicions about that church, but I never thought it went this deep.
Yeah. So, what
Wow,
happens
she's
now?
convincing, apparently.
I'll call the judge and get a warrant. We find anything else, that bastard won't get away with it.
Okay. Can I go talk to him?
Go ahead. Ask Lenny to go
Just-
with you if you need him.
You'll just need one thing.
Will
and
do.
he pulls out a
Thanks,
gun and
Sheriff.
shoots us right in the head.
Think
and then we play
nothing of
him
it.
for the rest of the game.
Oh yeah, that's a major twist of the game.
Oh, what
And
a
then
twist.
He
Hey, Lenny.
gets
Hello,
a
Cat.
black wig with the purple
Nah.
purple highlights and
Nah.
a leather jacket, and he's like, "Oh look,
They are-
I'm Kathy right now."
Well,
Yeah.
Where the fuck do I go? Why is the thermometer all the way up?
it doesn't belong to me. 55 degrees.
I want someone to be dead.
Me too.
Yeah.
Well, your grandpa is.
Oh wait, there was a box. I don't remember a box being there. I'm gonna go see that box. This is quality content.
Come on,
The
we
box is
start talking about
uninteractable.
Wizards
Right,
of
that
Waverly
kind of
Place again.
What if I just stopped giving a shit about Eileen? How about that? I went to every single place, but there is no place. What the fuck?
Could lead to a sacristy or a closet.
What's a sacristy?
Locked.
Did you guys all leave me? Oh dear. Use
I don't know where Tyler went.
Use
but-
Zippo lighter on.
That combination.
Oh, use Zippo lighter on.
I
Alter.
don't want to.
I think you do want to.
Didn't you pick up a key or something?
Started when I was 12 and never looked back. Pretty much the only thing keeping me sane.
I bet. Anyway.
Tyler, are you alive?
I'm gonna go use keys on cops.
Oh yeah,
That'll get him.
it's super effective.
I wonder where Tyler went.
I don't know.
He muted himself. That's funny.
I hope he's okay. I miss him.
Well, sometimes you have to let them go.
I
Oh, no,
probably
no,
But who go?
Banned
That's
from
where I got
chat.
it from. I probably shouldn't.
I probably
you let
should.
go?
You would ask where I got it from.
Oh, you're talking.
That doesn't need a.
Sometimes I still think I hear his voice.
I'm
I
sorry. I
probably
needed to drink like a gallon of water.
Might be some.
Hail hydrate.
Hail hydrate. Hail hydra, homie.
Same.
Oh hi, it's Churchman.
Oh,
Hello,
good.
John.
I hope you
Churchman's
enjoy
locked
that
up.
cell as much as I
Hope
do.
you enjoy yourselves as
For a
much
man
as
of
I
faith,
did.
this is a room fit for a king.
This is
Can
a
we get
room
him to
fit
grow
for a
up?
king.
I have all the time in the world.
All the time in the world. Well, I
don't
have
need to-
all the time in the world to kill him.
I could, but I'd rather not tip him off. I don't need to show
Someone's
it.
singing
Could,
opera
but I'd
out
rather
on the
not tip
street.
him off before I know this key open.
Wait, really?
Who is the man dressed in red?
Yeah.
No one that concerns the
Ew.
likes of you.
Wait,
That's pretty
Walking
rad.
you
down-
do know
He's
something
walking
about
down the street
Certainly,
Sunday night
but that
at
knowledge is not
almost
to be
10
shared with
p.m. singing
unbelievers.
opera.
Hey, remember when I said I didn't trust this guy at the very beginning, and then I kind of trusted him, and now I don't trust him anymore?
Tell me what you did to my friend Isaac.
Welcome to Blood in the Clock
I
Tower.
offered her to come,
Welcome
and the Lord accepted her with open arms.
to
She is part of his
the
world now.
Matrix.
You're not
baby.
talking about a Christian God.
Of course not.
Oh, you guys
I'm
excited
talking
for
about
Matrix
the
4?
old God, slumbering in the darkness
You know,
beyond.
I'm
What do you
so
say?
excited
You
for
offer
all of
Eileen's soul to this God of
action
yours?
and
She is but
stars
one of many.
that I liked as a
I
kid
guided them all to
being
the stairs of
old
judgment.
and
Wait,
still being action
so
stars.
you were
I
responsible
love it.
for all those people disappearing?
Expendables is a
going
guilty
crazy.
pleasure of mine.
What is
All I
going
did was
on?
bring them face to face with God. They chose to
Matrix
reject
4.
him,
It's just
they were
Keanu
beyond
Reeves
redemption.
and Carrie-Anne Moss being old
What
and
should
being in
church
Matrix
really
still.
I'll be
Isaac,
honest. Are
what are
you
you trying to
excited for
accomplish?
Keanu Reeves
The same
in
as any other
Cyberpunk
church. All we
2077?
want is the salvation
Honestly,
of
I'm just
mankind.
excited for
By
Cyberpunk,
any means
and
necessary?
Keanu Reeves
Clearly, kidnapping isn't out
doesn't
of
do
the question.
anything to make that less.
Unnecessary evil.
Same.
I look at the bigger picture.
Like
the
I
greater good.
wasn't expecting
One day
Keanu
you'll
Reeves,
understand.
but now he's in there.
You are
I'm down.
quite obviously brainwashed. I'll stop you. If it's the last
I was
thing
excited
do.
for it
You can try,
from
child.
the beginning.
I have God
and
on
then
my side.
he came out and was like, Cyberpunk. And I was like, yeah, okay.
Yeah, like I'm even more sold than I already was.
I'm like, I could have done without it, but, you know, that's cool.
Yeah, it's like now we have someone that I like in a game that I'm already thinking I like. It's
You know what would be even better, though?
what would be better?
Selena Gomez in it.
Yeah, Selena Gomez and fucking David
David Henry.
Henry and the fucking Max. Yeah, that I still can't remember his name, even though we talked about him.
Yeah, we like looked up his name and everything.
Yeah,
last
looked up
time.
his name. Wizards of Waverly Place, Wiki.
All right, I'm gonna play a game if you guys don't mind. Instant in 81.
Something
Go
to do
for it.
with what happened to
Max
your grandfather?
Russo,
Alas, I
played
did not.
by
At the time,
fucking
Doesn't he have three
was my
names?
father.
Jake
But
T.
Grandpa
Austin,
showed the same
Jake T.
symptoms
played
as
by
Eileen.
as a
Then he was
female. Was he
claimed
a
by God.
female?
Without
Oh,
my
There was
guidance.
probably an episode you got.
Praise him.
Was he
gender switched.
trans? Oh my god. And Bailey Madison looks like a female version of him.
I bet you there's just an episode where they used a spell.
Yeah. Now you're a girl. Now you have to like the color pink and everything else that's described to females.
We're gonna take a quick
Anyway.
break on the show just a second.
What's